This stretch Jeep tub has been constructed by putting multiple tubs together, and it was previously coated with a spray-in bed liner that the owner had trouble fully removing. Because it's been sitting outside for a long time, it's now covered in rust, dirt, and debris. The owner wants to strip off the dust, the remaining bed liner, and the old paint to get this project going again. This is a challenge that might not look like it's worth all the work, unless you have a dustless blasting unit. Dustless blasting is an eco-friendly alternative to dry blasting, combining water and media to quickly strip surfaces while eliminating the plume of dust and keeping the surface cooler to prevent warping. This DB500 model allows you to adjust the pressure from 30 to 150 psi for different surfaces and applications. Simply adjusting your standoff distance to change the spray pattern helps you quickly and easily remove paint, rust, and even spray in bed liner. The DB500 holds up to 20 gallons of water and 200 pounds of abrasive material, saving time and effort, even on tough jobs like this. This tech tip is brought to you by Dustless Blasting.